Hey everybody, and welcome back to Zested Foods. My name is Christine Chai. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade orange chicken. Then I'm going to purchase some orange chicken from Panda Express and some frozen orange chicken. I'm going to have all three, and then I'm going to have my husband taste all of them, and we're going to see if he can find out which one is which. Let's get started. For our homemade orange chicken, we are going to start out by making the sauce. Okay, now we are going to make what's called a slurry, which is cornstarch and water mixed together, which is going to thicken our sauce. So we'll add our cornstarch and some water. Okay, for our chicken, all I've done here is diced up 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I've cut them into about 1-inch cubes. You can use chicken breasts if you want, but I find that if you use the thighs, you get more moisture in the chicken and more flavor. Now what we're gonna do here is I have 1/2 cup of cornstarch. We're just gonna put that over our chicken, and then we're gonna stir that all together. Okay, now to our hot oil, we're going to add our chicken. We're gonna add in a few pieces at a time because we don't wanna overcrowd our pan. Otherwise, the chicken won't cook evenly. We're gonna cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll remove it from the oil and let it drain on our paper towels. Okay, while we have my orange chicken cooking, I am going to go ahead and pop this frozen orange chicken into the oven so it can get cooking. Now, normally when the chicken is done, I plate it up with sliced green onions and sesame seeds, but because I don't want my husband to know which one is which, I'm not gonna put those on right now. All right, I just got back from Panda Express, and we are gonna plate these all up and go see if my husband can tell the difference between the three. He got volunteered.
5 minutes ago.
To help me do this. He didn't know what we're doing, so he has not been forewarned. He didn't watch me cook. He's not even supposed to be looking. Oh. So I have a blindfold because I don't want him to be able to look at the food, because sometimes look can determine the flavor.
Oh gosh.
Remember what I told you was number 1, number 2, and number 3? I just want you to taste all of them first, and then we'll go back through again, okay? This is number 1. You can smell it first. Okay, open. Okay, smell number 2. Okay, smell number 3.
The last one tastes like it's been an oil that's been used for a lot of chicken. That tastes like Panda Express.
You know?
I think I know which ones are which.
Okay, let's see. What do you think number 1 was?
The first one is store-bought.
Okay, number 2?
Homemade.
And number 3?
3, Panda. I think in that order. Store-bought's really saucy, like overly sauced. And then this one's pretty balanced. This one, and then the vinegar. This one's more vinegary. This one
is number 3.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Do you think you were right?
I have no idea.
Well, you got number 3 right.
Panda Express.
He got Panda Express right.
Like at first, you wouldn't know that was Panda Express until like I'm almost ready to swallow, and I'm like, wait, there's the flavor. Like it's like at the end.
Got like its own distinct flavor. He won.
That was Panda.
He likes his Panda Express.
Yeah,
I would have been surprised if you didn't guess this one.
It only at the end, like the last.
Well, I thought it was funny when you said it tastes like it's been in oil. I thought he's gonna think that one's mine because I cooked it in oil, but number 1 was homemade, and he guessed store-bought. Now, the reason is because, like he said, usually when we do the store-bought, we put a lot of sauce in, or it comes with a lot of sauce, so he always thinks it's saucy. But interestingly enough, I put
This
both
one's
bags.
saucy? That's the store-bought one?
This is the frozen one. I put both bags of sauce, and look how much it absorbed. It absorbed all the sauce.
That's crazy because this one has the least amount of flavor between the two, for sure.
Yeah.
Did you try them?
I did. I tried them before I came down just to make sure that you could tell a difference, obviously. And this one, it kind of had a... If you ate this one on its own and you had nothing else to compare it to, I think it would have been good. But when you compare it to the two other ones, I don't think this one is as good.
You didn't bring two forks. Now you guys can hear us eat.
But I never have a problem if the chicken is really saucy because you serve it usually
Over rice.
over rice.
Yeah.
And the sauce and the rice absorb and make more flavor.
So I never eat rice when I go to Panda. I always get the chow mein or the lo mein or whatever, because the rice is always dry. I don't know if it's dry for you guys, but it's always dry for me.
Even look at this though. Look, this one has the least amount of sauce out of the three. Mm-hmm. Kind of funny. But if you do,
She's a saucy girl.
I like sauces. Everywhere I go, I'm like, can I please have extra sauce? I don't like dry food. That's why I told you use the chicken thighs.
Yeah, this has like no flavor compared to these two.
Yeah. But if you want this recipe for my orange chicken, I will leave a link in the description below so you can make it for yourself.
I honestly thought this was store-bought.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it in a good way or a bad way?
I was convinced.
But now that you know, do you still feel like that tastes store-bought, or do you...
This one has a better crunch.
He's in heaven right now. He loves orange chicken. He's going to eat all of these, plus the rest that I have
You have more upstairs?
left over. Anyways, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like this episode and leave me a comment below. Where do you like to get your orange chicken from? Is it Panda Express, frozen aisle, or do you make homemade? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you check out this video right over here, and we will see you guys next time.
I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Good? Mm-hmm. How do you like this one overall, though? What are you doing?
There's like a bone under my tongue.
There's no bone.
That's really far back. It's like poking.
There's no bone.
It's like poking my tongue underneath.
Spit it out.
It's so good though.
A bone? Or just like hard chicken, fried chicken? What are you doing?
I need a drink. My eyes are like watering.
I hope I hit record over there. I feel taller than you. That's funny looking. Makes me look like I'm taller than you. Was it from mine? Or this one? Just take it out with your fingers. What are you doing?
I need to go get some water.